What's up guys? Welcome to the new episode of What's With, and this time it's all about chemistry with your dancing chemist. So for this video, we will be having an experiment, and this is called the acids and bases. But before we proceed, let us define first what is acid and bases. According to BioJuice 2021, acids and bases are popular chemicals which interact with each other, resulting in the formation of salt and water. So first, let's now prepare the materials. You need to prepare at least 3 eggplants, 7 cups or 7 plastic cups, a baking soda, bleach, calamansi for calamansi juice, Sprite or any lemon soda, vinegar, a toothpaste, and the water. So before we proceed to our actual experiment, we also need to wear our personal protective equipments that will protect us while we are conducting our experiment. So we need to wear our lab gowns. We also need gloves, hairnet, and face shield since I don't have any goggles here yet. So let me get those equipments first. And now, let's proceed. So as you can see here, the first thing I did is that I peeled the eggplant so that I can use its skin. After removing the skin of the eggplant, I prepared it in a bowl and also my kettle. We will boil the skin using this kettle. As you can see here, I poured an amount of water on the kettle, and then I put the skin of eggplant. And now, while waiting for the water to boil, I labeled the plastic cups according to the numbers and order that was given in the instruction. And here, as you can see, I started to prepare the remaining materials and put it in the plastic cups. I also dissolved the baking soda as well as the toothpaste in a water so that I can create a solution. And now, here's our baking soda, bleach, calamansi juice, Sprite, vinegar, toothpaste, and water. And now, here's our eggplant concoction that will also serve as our indicator solution. The next thing I did is that I poured the eggplant concoction in every solution that I prepared. First is in the baking soda. Next is in bleach. Next is in calamansi juice. Next would be the Sprite. And our fifth solution is the vinegar. Sixth on the list is the toothpaste. And last but not the least, number 7, water. And now we are done pouring the eggplant concoction to our prepared solutions. Let us furthermore explain this experiment. So let's now proceed to the solutions where we added the eggplant concoction. First is the baking soda. As you can see, baking soda, as we dissolve the baking soda on water, it is clear white. But when we add the bluish indicator solution, it became dark purple. But in the camera, it is red. But in my point of view, it is a bit of dark purple. Next would be the bleach. It is the second one. As you can see, remember we added a bluish solution indicator. And the solution indicator becomes clear like the bleach. Next would be the calamansi juice. It is a calamansi extract, fresh calamansi extract, and as we add the solution indicator in this solution, it became orange, reddish orange. And next would be this Sprite or the lemon soda. So lemon soda is a clear drink, but as we add the bluish solution and it indicator solution, it became pinkish, light orange or pinkish, like my background, it's pinkish. And next is the vinegar. It is the fifth solution that we have. And as we add the solution indicator in this solution, it became a little bit of pink, but slightly darker and blurred. It's also a pinkish one, but not as clear as the soda. Next is the toothpaste. This one, I am a bit of confused what color is it, but as I add the indicator solution on our baking soda, toothpaste rather, it became green and a bit blue. But in my point of view, it is green, in camera, it is blue. And next is the water, of course. As you can see, we added a bluish indicator solution, but as it had a contact on our water, it became a little bit of greenish yellow, I think. Greenish yellow. Yeah. And now, let us furthermore explain the solutions that we've got. We will be using this illustration as our basis. So in number 1, baking soda, it has a pH of 9, and based on my experiment, the solution baking soda turned out bluish purple, which means that it is a base or alkaline. And number 2, bleach. It has a pH level of 12, and it is base as well. So our third solution is calamansi juice. It turned out reddish as we recall. It is because it has a pH of 2.4, and it is considered as acid. And next would be our Sprite or the lemon soda. It turned out pink, right? As we recall, it is pinkish because it has a pH level of 3.30, and which means that it is also acid. Next would be the vinegar. Vinegar turned out also pinkish or a little bit of light orange and pink. And it has a pH level of 2.5, which means that vinegar is an acid. And number 6 on the list is the toothpaste. As we can recall again, it turned out a little bit of green, which means that it is neutral. Toothpaste has a pH level of 6 to 7. And lastly, water. Water has a greenish yellow result based on our experiment. It simply means that it is neutral and its pH level is 6.5 to 7. Toothpaste and water should be neutral because we consume it every day. And here is the clear view. Number 1, baking soda. Number 2, bleach. Number 3, calamansi juice. Number 4, Sprite. Number 5, vinegar. 6, toothpaste. And 7, water. I also conducted another experiment wherein I added a solution to another solution, and here are the results. Here's the result when I added the solution number 5 to solution number 1. On the right side, that is the result when I added the solution number 4 to solution number 6. And the last one, the result when I added the solution number 3 to solution number 2. So that's all for today. I hope you learned something. Always remember that keep learning, keep moving, and keep dancing. I am Bianca Isabel S. Villaluz from CEIT 33101A. Thank you so much for watching.